How to delete message for everyone on Messenger. So to delete the message, first you have to open up your Messenger application, and after opening, choose a chat. For example, I have chosen this one, so go on and send a message. And after sending, now if you want to delete this message for yourself and for the person whom you sent the message, so if you want to delete from both sides, then what you have to do is just tap on the message and you will have 4 options. Tap on the option which says more, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you will have 2 options, bump or remove. Tap on remove and then tap on unsend, and that's it. That's how you do it. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.